Hi, this is Arthur from Dental Savings Club, your favorite Canadian company that helps you save thousands of dollars per year on daily used products. Tired of overpaying on X-ray sensors or buying other sensors that don't work with your imaging system? If yes, we have what you need. The Mr. X-ray sensors comes in 4 different sizes. Size 2, size 1.5, size 1 and size 0. It has a reinforced cable with Kevlar wiring tested for over 30,000 bends, and it is a very thin sensor with rounded edges for extreme patient comfort. It comes with 3-year warranty and a 3 meters wire. Our team will install it and bridge it to your existing imaging software at no extra charge. Mr. X pixel pitch in micromillimeters is 20. Pixel pitch is the distance from the center of one pixel to the center of the next. The lower the pixel pitch number, the closer the pixels and the sharper the image. Mr. X is compatible with the following softwares: Tracker, Imagen, Adstra, Dexis, Caddy, ClearDent, Maxident, Open Dental, and many more. Our embedded Twain driver allows you to save 6 presets of favorite X-ray settings. Our embedded novelty feature, which is the EI, Exposure Index, shows you live if your X-ray is underexposed, overexposed, or properly exposed. Finally, adjusting your X-rays to your personalized liking is a piece of cake with our live adjuster that allows you to define the settings you need and save them once and for all. In a nutshell, Mr. X-ray at the affordable price of $3,995, and the 3-year warranty will be your sensor of choice for the years to come. Visit our website at dentalsavingsclub.com or contact us at our toll-free number for more info on our products.